Hello guys, review Cubot KingKong Ace 2 protected device, open box and look completion. Device in the black color with green sides, dark green sides, and open box, look completion. In this we have the commentary, okay, adapter for charging, key for SIM slot, and Type-C cable. Okay. Close box. We have double screen on the back side. This only for clock glass, only for clock display. On this side power button and warm buttons. On this side smart button, SIM slot, Type-C slot on the downside. Okay, display we have HD 6.56 inch. Turn on device, open settings, about phone we have Android 14. Okay, and open tests. We have CPU MediaTek GPU Mali G52MC 3, 8 GB RAM memory, and look results: single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay, look on total benchmark results. Okay, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game slot and works on the medium graphic level. And gameplay good. Close this, open camera, macro camera, Ultra HD video. We can record video Full HD, HD, and low quality, and another modes. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.